Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at DOS Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we've got a 2016 Freightliner M2 106 with a 20-foot box and a ramp on the back as well. This truck's in great condition, nice low miles, 123,000. Got some nice front tires on here. A lot of tread left on those. And we've repainted the steps and bumper on this as well as the chassis with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any new rust from forming, any existing rust from spreading. This truck has two 50-gallon diesel tanks, one on each side. I'll show you the other one when we get over there, as well as an engine block heater for those cold winter months, keeping your engine warm so it starts up nice and easy. We've got some nice rear tires on here as well. A lot of tread left on those. And as you can see, we've repainted the back door, nice fresh coat. And this truck does have a pull-out ramp on the back. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. Now taking a look inside the box. Again, this is a 20-foot box. Nice kickboards around the bottom, prevent any pallets or pallet jacks from going through the sidewalls. Got 3 rows of E-track on both sides, as well as one on the front wall. 2 mounted low, 1 mounted a little bit higher. So nice E-track setup on this truck. Nice translucent roof on the box as well. Taking a look here at the passenger side. This truck's in great condition. We've also repainted the wheels on this truck. Give it a nice fresh look. Here's that other 50-gallon tank. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab. All right, now taking a look inside the cab, this truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Now this truck has air brakes, air suspension, and an air seat as well. Super handy on those long drives. Seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. We got a nice bench seat with a storage space underneath it. Fire extinguisher mounted for emergencies. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Now as you can see, no lights on the dash. I had the truck running already, so the air's already full. This particular truck has 123,235 miles on it. I'm gonna go take it and put some gas in it here in a few minutes. Everything looking and running smooth. We've also got a CD player here. Nice Delphi CD player. Air brake. AC is working like a charm. I got it up on full blast right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this engine. Now taking a look under the hood here, this Freightliner comes equipped with a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6 engine, coupled with a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. Pretty much the cream of the crop these days when it comes to medium duty trucking. Almost all the trucking companies are using Cummins engines as one of their alternate engines in their trucks. Very easy to work on. As you can see, everything's looking and running smooth. We've also detailed under the hood, as well as changing the oil filter, and topping off any other fluids that needed. And there you have it, a 2016 Freightliner M2 106 with a 20-foot box and a pull-out ramp, dual 50-gallon diesel tanks, air brakes, air suspension, air seat, engine block heater, 3 rows of E-track in the box with a 6.7 liter Cummins i6 engine. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.